Hello and welcome to our new cooking show, Down to Earth Kitchen, not kitchen fails, even though that is what Dave would like to call it. But it might look like we're gonna fail, but usually we pull through in the end. So today we are dyeing Easter eggs. We are going to make my favorite dill deviled eggs with a little bit of bacon. They're amazing, definitely worth watching just for that. And then we're making a creamy asparagus soup and we're popping ham in the oven. So I'm going to be showing you how to make the dill deviled eggs, and I will start on the creamy asparagus soup, but our guests may arrive before we finish up with the soup. So I may just have to show you a little after photo video of it, but I will be sure to post all of the recipes online in our food section of laurenlees.com. I will put a link to that in the description. Also, if you're not already following us, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps us grow the channel, and we're trying to do more of these videos. So the more people that join in with us, the more we can do these. Also introduce you. You guys haven't seen Justin in a while. I don't know if you remember him. He used to be in some homeworks. It's been a while.
Has been a while.
Justin.
Hi.
He still has the same deep voice he had when he was 3.
Deep voice.
Now it makes more sense. And then we have Giselle and Aurora helping, as they often do. We are trying to make our household a little bit healthier, a little bit more clean. So this is our first attempt at vegetable dyeing eggs. We bought these pantyhose.
Yeah.
Instead of doing the normal dyes, we are attempting to try vegetable dyes on our Easter eggs this year. We have switched to very little processed food in our life at this point, but we are trying to do what we do at home as healthily as possible. And so that includes having no time to make vegetable dyed eggs, but attempting anyway.
You do the knot for me.
Yes, babe.
Probably.
That's a beautiful one, G. Look at this one, Dave. You gotta come see this one. Isn't that pretty? Just hold it out. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this.
This is better than mine.
We're tied it in.
Careful.
And we're gonna drop it in with the eggs. So for our natural dye, we just did some onion shells. I actually ended up doing one purple, a bunch of yellow onions, and then we shoved a bunch of turmeric in there.
You dropped a ton of turmeric, and it's probably going to be orange.
Probably mostly yellow at this point. Okay. All right. You want to hold the egg for me, Justin? Justin, it's been a while since you've been on a homework. You too, Leah. Hold the egg part.
The egg?
Yeah, and then I'm going to tighten this.
The show is called Kitchen Fails.
It's not
homework.
called Kitchen Fails. It's called Down to Earth Kitchen. Actually, this is more of a homework what we're doing here because we're not eating it. Well, I guess we will eat them later. All right. So we're taking this and we're tying that really tight. And then we're taking our scissors and you're gonna put this in here and drop that to dye the egg. You're just gonna peel. You can do it. Okay. And then we're gonna tighten that over. But it's not always as easy as it looks. The egg? Just the egg. Because we need about 12 minutes. Justin, I'm gonna need you again. Here comes another one. There we go.
12,
That's gonna be so pretty.
When you know it's ready.
Cover it up. All of that.
Yep.
I'm just gonna do this till I run out of pantyhose.
Girls, what are you doing?
Peeling potatoes. Vegetable peeling potatoes.
Do you guys know what we're gonna do with those potatoes?
Nope.
Word?
Something yummy.
Yes.
All right, guys, we're finished, right?
With that part of the process. So here we have eggs, lots of eggs. Everybody needs to crunch eggs, okay guys?
Bring me a trash
In
can.
here, come around the side here, guys. Yep, we got the trash can open
Egg
as
fight.
fast as we can.
Egg fight.
This is fun. No, this
Okay. All right, also Christian and Louie have joined us here. Christian, Louie, we've got one's a miniature version of the other. So while the kids are peeling all of the eggs, I am going to start on the asparagus soup. I'm chopping up the asparagus, excuse me, sweetie, and I am going to chop up some potatoes, and we're gonna saute them with some onions and garlic in a pan. And then we have chicken broth being made right now in the background, a fresh chicken, and that should be ready soon.
You guys have time.
Here, guys, excuse me.
Whoop.
It is a cheek.
Scooch cheek. All right, so I'm gonna rough chop the onions, I'm gonna rough chop the asparagus, and I'm gonna rough chop the potatoes. It does not really matter what it looks like because I'm going to blend the whole situation because it's a creamy soup. There are 9 of us today, so I'm gonna do an onion and a half and 3 bunches of asparagus. And let me see how many potatoes I'm feeling like right now. I'm gonna do 3 potatoes. I'm just chopping them really fast here. There we go. Finished? Okay, that's great. Okay guys, where do we think we're at on the eggs? Ooh, wanna put that back in for her? Go fast.
These little babies are waiting for kitchen fails. Strap.
Okay, let me get these and chop here. Okay. I do big handfuls at one time. All right, so we're gonna let those eggs sit for another 10 or 15 minutes. Isn't the internet great? And then we're gonna pull them out, and I wanted to put 1 at each of the table settings because we are having friends over to celebrate Easter today. And so hopefully we have 9 that came out, but it looks like they're gonna be a pale yellow, which should be really pretty. All right, so we're gonna get those onions in there. I am just finishing up chopping the potatoes, and I'm gonna throw these bad boys in. All right, we're doing that. Now that my onions are slightly softened, throw in those potatoes. A little salt, pop those potatoes in.
That's a nice sizzle.
Work them in. Yeah, it's a much better sizzle. I do like to salt while it's cooking, and so that's important for us. All right, so working those potatoes, and I'm gonna turn them up a hair higher because we are so low on time right now. All right. I think it's time for an apron. Apron time. All right, we're gonna work these bad boys in. Like, there we go. Okay, put it over there. Okay, got the asparagus in now. And I'm doing, we have olive oil. I started out with butter, I'm adding in some oil, and this needs lots more salt. Our dog Fawn. She is used to the mayhem. Okay. Okay, so I am also gonna make some of our really simple herb salt baked potatoes. So I'm using lots of salt here, and I've already oiled it, and I'm gonna massage the salt right into it. Sometimes we blend it in there. All right, so I'm popping this in. Got these bad boys on 350, putting them in. Can't really touch anything. Stay closed. Okay, there. All right, that looks great, babe. Let me see that. Let me see that with that. You guys did great. All right, so the kids have stirred up, smushed up all of our egg yolks here, and it's looking really good. Christian just got the mayo for me. Ooh, this is actually a garlic aioli mayo, so that's gonna be really different. So I'm gonna do, yeah, it's real mayo. Made from avocado oil though. I don't know if everybody considers that real, but we actually really love it. These are dill deviled eggs. I am gonna put a lot of dill in them. You can add celery. I do not have celery in this iteration of the recipe because I went all for that dill flavor, but celery is always delicious in deviled eggs. All right, who can serve that for me? Do that. Oh, got the garlic, good. Okay, great. So how much garlic was that, Christian?
6 cloves, give or take.
Okay, 6 cloves. So I'm gonna take some for over there. Christian, do a few more because I'm gonna need some for that soup too. The soup that I have forgotten to stir. Let's do that. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna throw a bunch of that in that soup, and it is softening here. All right, so we are chopping onions. I used a yellow onion, and I'm just gonna drop that into the mixture. I am gonna throw that into the egg yolk mixture. Louie's got that. Looking like good consistency. This. Are they? Okay. Christian just put in the garlic into our filling mixture, and I'm gonna drop these little onions in. Very finely ground. I think it'll be easier if I just stick in here. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna drop these onions in. So it's 1.5 onions with like 40 some eggs. All right, so I'm gonna dump in some of this freshly made chicken broth. It's already salted, it's delicious. I'm gonna dump some of that in there so I can turn this off, and I'm gonna blend this bad boy. I'm gonna use the actual blender again instead of the immersion. I felt like it was a bit creamier than the immersion. Didn't you feel like that? So I'm gonna try that. Then I'm gonna take, here's the magic ingredient, you guys. Actually, there's 2 magic ingredients. Oh, there's 3 magic ingredients. First magic ingredient is the garlic. Second magic ingredient is the dill. And third magic ingredient, if you're like us, is the bacon on the top.
Sounds like
So
listening ingredient.
they're all magical, Christian. And we're gonna throw a little paprika on the top because that always makes it pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go with 1/2 cup of dill here. And I'm gonna save the rest for the top. There we go. Stir it up, guys. There we go. All right, guys, is that looking good? How's that looking, guys? Okay, so now we have piped out all of our filling, and it's actually pretty for our standards. And I'm gonna do a little bit of dill on each and every one of them. Some of them we will do just dill, and some of them we will do bacon on. So we'll do about half. You kind of gotta put them in like that, maybe a little bigger.
Wait, this begs the question: are they 1 bite deviled eggs?
They're definitely one bite.
I mean,
Nope.
you guys take everything in one bite.
I'll prove it.
I will probably take 3 bites for these deviled eggs.
2, I think.
Okay, and then we're gonna put our dill.
It's really good.
These are gonna be good, huh? Is a lemon good? Now we're gonna have to do a lemon bag every time.
Oh.
You guys did great, girls. All right, Michael Frank is back. You will see Michael come up again because we are doing a project together. Michael is my architect friend. We have done projects together in the past, and we're doing a new one in DC right now. And Michael's come in to clean this up a little bit.
What are you doing over there?
I'm just doing the fancy part.
Oh, you make it look good.
I gave you the hard job.
No, this is squeezing.
There's a lot of squeezing.
So what are you putting on that? Bacon?
So I did a little bacon and then a little dill.
Nice.
These are the Dill Deviled Eggs.
Nice. I ran out of eggs.
All that extra piping?
Yeah.
Maybe some of these,
No, they're too beautiful now.
they're too pretty. Okay, so we'll
right.
just save that for later.
Sounds great.
I feel like that's how. Throw that in there in that little bucket. Okay, wait, Dave, this is beautiful. You did
Look at that.
That's really
I was watching and learning from these 2 lovely young gals over here. They're the true stars.
So now we just put the dill on top
Bacon first?
for you. Just
I love the bacon garnish, right?
yeah. We can always add more bacon too, guys. I'll put a little side of it.
Bacon's such a great sort of food, isn't it? You put it in drinks and food and
Yeah.
your mouth, everything. Now, is this dill from your garden?
No, we're not there yet.
It's not quite
I have the
dill
babyest
season.
dill. Yeah.
It's a tough thing. Do you plant herbs or you just kind of go to the market and buy them in little plastic things? It's so easy, isn't it? This is not fun though, is it? It's fun reaching out your window and grabbing a little bit there, right?
It's so romantic. Okay, so we finished that. How pretty. So here's our pretty deviled eggs. All right, guys, time is up. Our friends are here. We're about to go enjoy this beautiful Easter meal. We have our asparagus soup and we've got our dill deviled eggs, and we're going to go enjoy them. Dave, are you saying something?
Kitchen fails.
So cheers. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Down to Earth Kitchen, not kitchen fails. Happy Easter, everybody!
Happy Easter.
Yay! Cheers! First Easter at the meadow. Got the fire going. And a little sleeping girl here. This is one more vote for Dave's name of kitchen fails. I forgot that we had potatoes in the oven. So.
They weren't supposed to cook for 2.5 hours?
Nope, they weren't.
That's rock hard. They're as hard as rocks.
Oh my gosh!
Delicious.
Nice.
It's called kitchen fails.
I told them not to because I didn't want them to
Exactly.
crack teeth.
You could actually get hurt.
Oh,
I forgot there were potatoes.
potato jerky.
No, this is gourmet. This is how they do it in
Wait, let's just get some butter though. Let's bust them and put
Butter and sour cream.